especially welcome to Hanoi. So when you are traveling in Vietnam and in Hanoi, hopefully I have a chance to serve you here, to stay here with us. You see, in Vietnam we have a beautiful country, and you see we stay in Hanoi, the city central. Yeah, so from here, our capital in Hanoi for more than 1,000 years ago. Yeah, we have when you stay in Hanoi, we have a chance to introduce with you and sharing with you something for the time when you stay here with us. I just want to make sure, in our ability, we want to try our best.
We are back in Hanoi, Vietnam. Join us in a virtual tour as we explore Hotel Eliana Premio, located right in the heart of the city, with its lively streets in Hanoi.
I have Danny with me here today, and I have Lois.
Ruby and Queen.
You have Ruby, and then we have Prince. Oh, Queen. I thought it's the Queen.
Yeah, Queen.
Okay.
Welcome. Thank you.
Okay, this is a very lovely hotel. Okay, if you see the architecture here is very like Chinese, very Chinese architecture. And this hotel is located in Hanoi Old Quarters. And this makes this place very unique. And
in
it's
city center.
yes, it's very city center. Okay.
Smart. Very almost like heat to the body.
Yes, they are very friendly and very beautiful and gorgeous and amazing. I really like this hotel setup. You just look at the floor. Okay, the tiles are very different from other hotels, and on the walls they have a lot of painting. It looks like they have quite a number of Chinese influence. You just look at the architecture, the way that they organize the hall over here. This is very Chinese. That's cool!
No, wait. I look like a traveler.
Okay, no. YouTuber number one, YouTuber number two.
Subscriber number one, subscriber number two.
Yay! Okay.
Bye bye.
We have the three hotel. We are here. It's the third hotel. Eliana Premio Hotel at the 108 Hang Bông Street. About the bank, you easy to find the bank. But from the hotel twice turn left, you can see the big bank, TB bank, local bank. You can draw the money from the bank. And here is some shop for the handicraft souvenir. You can buy the souvenir to bring return Japanese. Yeah, yeah, the market, Dongsuan market here, open every day for you. Yes, and if you want to shopping, you can go to the Lotte, the Vincom, Changtian Plaza for shopping.
Let's check out our room. Our room is located on 7th floor. The room is medium size, but it has all the things that we need. Clean bed sheet, clean floor,
do realize that in most of the Vietnam hotels, they have this coffee, this brand. According to the locals, this is a very famous brand and popular in Vietnam. Beautiful tiles, black and white. And you can even have your breakfast out there. Let's go to our left hand side, the left hand of the grandma kitchen. We are on the 8th floor. Wow. Okay, some soup you have. Is that porridge? This is white porridge. Some veggie. Okay. Very healthy veggie. There's steam it. This is ubi keledek, ubi kayu. Fried rice, nasi goreng, sausages. I guess this is bacon. This is the beef. Beef, they fried with veggie, celeries, red pepper, and this is our fruit section. Oh, they're famous for dragon fruit. You have the watermelon, you have the pineapple. This is the honeydew, bananas, and let's say this is the bread section. Okay. And this is the drink section. I guess this is the watermelon, this is the orange. And they have cereal as well. Okay. So we are overlooking, we are on the top floor actually. I took this corn dessert, porridge. And I add this with meat floss. This is quite tasty. I have tasted it just now. In Vietnamese, it's called, in Vietnam, the Vietnamese word is called rock, meat floss. It's very tasty.
Normal cheese.
Cheese pizza with some pepperoni or just some meat, right? Pizza is a bit too dry. Inclusive for breakfast, you can order side dishes. For this time, I order pho. Paul, huh? Oh, his name is Paul, and he has been very nice, Paul, serving us everything that we want. Paul has been working in this hotel for how many years?
I'm just working here 1 month ago.
Oh, what?
Working here 1 month ago.
Oh, 1 month ago, but his service is excellent. Thank you. This is what custard egg, is it? Custard egg, too sweet for us. We are making a comparison of the coffee. This is the Vietnamese traditional coffee, Nao Nang, and this is the coffee from, this is the house coffee from the buffet section. These taste fantastic. This is strong. The coffee, this is stronger than this. But this is a traditional Vietnamese coffee. Okay, so if you prefer a stronger coffee with more caffeine, then you can go for the house coffee. And for this, you can even put ice. That's what they say. And then in Vietnamese, it's called teh. If you ice, it's called teh. I tried the olive just now, the black and the green. Fantastic. This is the cheese. These are two types of meat. This sauce, this is my second serving. Okay. This sauce, I don't know what sauce is that. This is nice. A bit of saltiness, with a lot of herbs in that. So much food to choose, so much food to eat. From pho, I tried the half-boiled egg, and then after I took the fried rice and the fried veggie. Then I proceed to eat sandwich. This is sandwich banh mi, ham and cheese sandwich. This is the ham, and this is the cheese. This is Earl Grey with honey. Let me tell you this is really nice. You add a bit of honey, it tastes different. Mango crepe. The mango crepe is tasty. You can taste the sweetness of the mango. This is Vietnamese sandwich with my coffee. Let's see what they have. Sandwich is a bit too dry. We tried the Vietnamese traditional iced coffee. It is so tasty with the condensed milk. Very tasty. We ordered a passion fruit crepe. It's different from the mango crepe just now. The mango crepe was crispy outside, but for this passion crepe or pancake, they call that, it is soft. I still prefer the mango crepe. Sweet and sour. Finish one. This is my second one. That's all for the review of the hotel. You can proceed to watch my other video on Hanoi Kiem. It is a cultural video with regard to the history of Hanoi.